Hi, I'm Mrs. St. John. I'm your child's AP Calculus teacher. This is our classroom. I have a lot of college stuff up because I'm also the AVID coordinator. My classroom is what's called a flipped classroom. So at homework, hopefully you're watching your child see a video of the lecture. I do answer any questions and kind of summarize the video the next day if they need clarification. But the reason that happens is so in class we can spend time working on problems. My goal is to help your child understand the content, and at the end of the year in May, they'll take the AP Calculus test. If they happen to pass, they'll earn college credit, and that will save them some money in college, a class that they'll just have get credit for. But if they don't pass it, that's totally fine. They'll just take the calculus class in college and they'll find that they're so much more prepared for that college level course. I'm here, this is my 28th year at El Cajon Valley High School. If you have any questions or want to contact us, my number is 619-401-4880, or you can just email me or contact me through your child. Have a great evening. Good night.